In this video, I will show you how to configure the OpenAI API with Korpdeck. First, we navigate to the Artificial Intelligence section, and within it, we select OpenAI Integration. Here we can see that we need to provide three elements: a key, a model, and the maximum number of tokens. First, the key. I will explain how to obtain it. Essentially, this key is the API key that allows us to make requests and deduct tokens accordingly. Next, the model. We have three options available: GPT-4 Turbo, GPT-4, and GPT 3.5 Turbo. Finally, the maximum number of tokens, which determines how much context the model can process. If you plan to send long texts, you can use values of 5,000, 4,000, or 3,000 tokens. For shorter texts, a range of 400 to 800 tokens is recommended. However, the general recommendation is to always leave it at 1,000 tokens. Now, how do we obtain the OpenAI key? First, go to Google and search for OpenAI platform. Select the first result, which corresponds to the official OpenAI website. Once inside, click Sign In. You will see three options: Sora, ChatGPT, and API platform. Select the second option, API platform. Within the platform, access your profile by clicking the corresponding icon and selecting Your Profile. In the Profile menu, choose API Keys. Here, you can see the different keys you have created. To generate a new one, it is necessary to have available credit, as each API request has a cost, although it is very low. To add funds, go to the Billing section and select Add Credit to Balance. The minimum amount is $5, and this balance usually lasts a long time depending on usage. Once the credit is added, return to API Keys and click Create New Secret Key. Assign a name to the key, select a project, and press Create. A key will be generated that starts with the prefix SK, followed by a series of alphanumeric characters. It is important to keep this key private, as it grants direct access to the account and its balance. Next, copy this key and paste it into the corresponding field in Korpdeck. Once this is done, select the model you wish to use. For example, ChatGPT-4, and click Confirm. If everything is configured correctly, the message "Configuration saved successfully" will appear. From this point on, you will be able to use both presets and AI assistants within the platform. If the configuration is not completed, these functions will not be available.